Hey, Mr. Bob, can I think of anything that giggles?
What now? I'm going to get the giggles. What in the actual world? Are you a guy? Here's a watermelon.